today. It's a little frosty here in southern Ontario. We're gonna see if the old Winnebago starts up. Been sitting for a while. Gonna take it for a drive. She can get some tires on it and hopefully do some tripping around with this thing this upcoming year. 1987. It's a couple years younger than me. Interior, not bad shape for its age. Well, let's see. It's been sitting, so did a little battery terminal upgrade from the side post to the top post. Pump the snot out of this thing and see what happens. It sounds like a whole lot of nothing. Come on, you old 54. Great fuel in this damn thing. Oh. Woo. Woo. Smells like something. Yeah. He's a runner. And I got no fuel. Story of my life, but yeah, really no fuel. But gas station down the street, and yeah, I'll take this thing for a drive. Yeah, it's a unit. It's today's adventure. Until next time, have a good day.